Do you need to get into your previous Myspace account but cannot recall your login details? No need to fret, we have a complete guide to assist you. In this concise tutorial, we will guide you through the necessary steps to recover your past Myspace profile, even if the email associated with it is no longer active. First solution, log in with username to your old account. If you forgot which email account is associated with your Myspace account, but you still remember your username, then you can log in with your username. Just go to the login page of Myspace then. Instead of typing in the email account, just enter the username, then click on the Forgot Password link. This will send an email to the email address on file for the old Myspace username you entered. Check your different email addresses to see if you received an email. Make sure to check your spam folder just in case it wasn't delivered to your inbox. Second solution, work with your email service provider to gain access to your email account. If you can't access the email account you used for your old Myspace account, the only way to access it is to first get access to that email account again. Luckily, most email providers have a help desk for people who can't access their old email address. We suggest you reach out to your email provider's help desk to try to recover your old email address. Once you have access to your old email account, you can use it to access your old Myspace account. Third solution, submit a request to access your forgotten Myspace account. If you don't want to go through the process of working with your email provider to regain access to your old email, you can contact Myspace directly to get access to your Myspace page. To do this, you'll need to fill out the Access Profile form. Once you've completed the form, submit it and wait for Myspace to contact you about how you can regain access to your account. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.